So this is a lamp base. The cord has an on-off switch. Cool beans. This was sent to me so I could make this video. Let's have a closer look. All right, so this does come in a 3-pack. So we got 1, 2, and 3. Let's have a closer look at just one of these. So each lamp base does come with some hardware, so you could screw it into sheetrock or something similar if you need to. You can see you could screw this bracket into sheetrock, and then you have the screws on the side that you would unscrew, mount the bracket, then screw back on. So you can attach this to basically any surface you want to, or you could just put it on a desk like this and have it freestanding on a flat surface. The cord has this on-off switch. Let's go ahead and plug this in. So I'm not really sure if this is on or off. I think this is probably the off position, but let's find out. Let's screw in this light bulb, and yeah, I think I was right. So let's go ahead and switch it on. Pretty basic light socket. The main thing here is it does have this mount, so if you want to mount it on something you can, and it has an on-off switch. Perfect for a desk or table or something similar. I think the design and finish of the lamp base is pretty nice. It's kind of a universal look. It's black, so it works for a lot of different things. Nothing really too special, but it is nice that it has the mount. And then of course it's nice that it has this switch. So if you wanted to use this for like a piano light or a desk lamp or something like that, got that on-off switch that makes it really nice. Now, I actually recommend that just about every home have a base like this, because what I have found is a lot of times I want to test out a light and see what it looks like to see which room of the house it will work for, but I don't actually want to screw it into a ceiling. I just want something quick and easy that I can plug this into and turn it on, see what it looks like. So a lamp base like this is a good idea. Thanks for watching.